Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Bynta ban penklan ya kejing laj lo ya hapo kari barok kawai. Kejela Meghalaya ru kalaya snok tilang ha kaban Jinglehkmen ya Bynta ka bakhat sao jong ka National Voter's Day menta ka sngi ka arpusan trik ukalaling kot arajar arpusao. Ya kejing lang la penong soso tham auditorium ha ka ba ulat kejela upagu johan ulalong kum kongsan harinkat kejing dan lang u BDR Tiwari Chief Election Officer badru ke Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills ke kong rosta kurba kinong mi khmat ne kiseng san perthai bat kiwei hagni ka sngi la penong ru i kejing yakop mare haging jingai ka basi 4 kilometer ya ka bala tip kum ke Democratic Run hagabala sakhi ya kejing man Ïashim Bynta jong ki babun na kirta ba pher Ashwa jong kaneru la penlong ni kejing yakop ba pher kum kejing yakop draw bat kiwei ki lat pen I ya ki sap kum Bynta ban pen shong shed ya kani Jinglehkmen. Shushu hagni ka sngi la pelai pat baru ya ke information book halor ke general election arajar arpulai kabala dep batru ke jingwat benya kabala pen Bynta hangir kom ki babun. Shushu hagni ka sngi la samru i kusnam shi ki nongjob ki Jinglehkop draw ki bala pen inam ha ka bayade ba ke jingya lenti jong ke jingya tap vote hapo ke jela. Amtang kata la penlongru ya ke signature campaign kum Bynta ban pen sungtho ya ke nongrim kum ki nong tap vote kabalong kum Bynta na ke Jinglehkmen. Kiwei ki nong mi khmat ki bela don lang hang ni ke sngi ki gintop na ke NPP bat UDP ki bala batai ru halor ke jingdon kam ban tap vote na ke Bynta ban kinteu ya ke jela bat ke rihi barok ke wei. Kila pen ken maru i ki nong song snong halor ke jingdon kam ban don ke jingkit kle bat ru ban pendep ya ki kamram kum kita ki nong song snong.
To mark the foundation day of the Election Commission of India, that is 25th January 1950. I find the topic that has been chosen, nothing like voting, I vote for sure, quite intriguing. And I would just like to share a little bit of my views, especially to the first-time voters, and especially to those voters who are looking via the media, who do not come out, to cast your vote. As we all know that voting is, your civic rights, your civic duty.
Progressive legislation that will help this country shape its future for a better world.
The National Voters' Day is a very important occasion. It's being organized to mark the foundation day of the Election Commission of India. And this has been going on from the year 2011. The theme this year is nothing like voting, I vote for sure, and it's a continuation of last year's theme. The main purpose of such a day, especially for the students, so that you are made aware to create electoral awareness among citizens and to encourage them to participate in the electoral process.
वोटिंग केवल हमारा अधिकार ही नहीं बल्कि हम सबका एक संवैधानिक जिम्मेदारी भी है। भारत लगभग 100 करोड़ वोटरों के एक दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र है। हमारे देश में इस साल 2024 में होने जा रहे लोकसभा चुनाव अब तक दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा सिंगल आयोजन है।